Hi guys! This is Anjali, online editor of Bite Size. So for today's recipe, gagawa tayo ng carbonara with a curry twist. Ito ang aming creamy curry carbonara. Let's start! Okay, for our first procedure, uunahin natin muna ang garnish. So let's start with the basil. Fried na lahat ng basil natin, let's move on to the next step. Okay, for the next step, is-slice naman natin yung bacon na gagamitin for the carbonara. Ayan. Usually, guanciale or Italian bacon yung ginagamit for carbonara. But since hindi naman siya authentic na carbonara, we can use bacon. So now, ipapan-fry na natin yung bacon. And since fatty na yung bacon natin, yung bacon strips natin, no need to put cooking oil. Halos crispy na yung bacon natin, pwede nang lagay yung chili flakes para may anghang rin yung bacon. Ito na yung gusto nating luto ng bacon. And set aside the bacon for now. So now, gagawin naman natin yung sauce ng ating carbonara. First, you start with the eggs. 1 egg yolk. Lalagyan naman natin ang ating additional ingredient, ang curry powder. So from here, whisk na natin siya. Lagay na natin yung Parmesan cheese. At ito na yung sauce ng ating pasta. Magluto na tayo ng pasta noodles. Ayan, kumukulo na ang ating water. Let's season it with salt. And then we can include our pasta na. So, for this recipe, we're using spaghetti. So, ito na yung pasta texture na gusto ko. Gagawin natin, itatabi muna natin siya dito. Ayan. Open again the stove. Then, initin natin yung niluto na natin na bacon. So, habang umiinit yung bacon, yan, lalagay na natin yung pasta noodles sa pan. Okay lang kung may pasta water na sumama, magdadagdag siya sa sauce natin. Okay? Ayan, lalagyan muna natin siya ng pasta water. And then, we can put in our egg, cheese, and curry mixture. Ayan, no? Sobrang creamy and amoy na amoy mo pa yung curry. Kayo matakot na hindi maluto yung egg kasi mainit pa yung pasta water tsaka yung bacon. So, maluluto pa yung egg tsaka magme-melt pa yung cheese. See, oh, sobrang creamy ng ating sauce. At this point, pwede na natin i-plate yung ating pasta. Here you go guys, ang ating creamy curry carbonara. Sobrang creamy at malasa na curry sa ating noodles with a hint of bitterness from the fried basil. For more unique pasta recipes, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Bite Size PH. Kainin na natin siya. Sarap!